Philodendron tortum, your guide to the unique fernleaf philodendron. Hey there, plant enthusiasts! Ferg here, and today we're diving deep into the fascinating world of the Philodendron tortum, also known as the fernleaf philodendron. This unique plant has captured the hearts of collectors with its stunning, deeply lobed leaves that unfurl in a captivating corkscrew fashion. But beyond its visual appeal, the Philodendron tortum offers surprising ease of care. So, whether you're a seasoned plant parent or a curious beginner, this guide will equip you with everything you need to know to thrive with this captivating houseplant. See more 623 species in genus Philodendron at monsteraholic.com. What is a Philodendron tortum? The Philodendron tortum is an epiphytic vine native to the tropical rainforests of South America. As an epiphyte, it grows naturally on the branches and trunks of other plants, using them for support rather than rooting in soil. This unique characteristic translates to specific care requirements when bringing it into your home environment. How to care for your Philodendron tortum. Thriving with the Philodendron tortum is all about mimicking its natural habitat. Here's a breakdown of the key factors to consider. Light. This plant prefers medium to bright indirect light. Avoid harsh, direct sunlight that can scorch the leaves. Aim for an east-facing window or a spot with filtered light throughout the day. Water. Consistent moisture is key, but avoid soggy soil. Allow the top inch of soil to dry out between waterings. Underwatered leaves will become limp, while overwatering can lead to root rot. Consider using a moisture meter for guidance. Humidity. Philodendron tortum thrives in moderate to high humidity levels, similar to its rainforest home. Grouping plants together, using a pebble tray, or investing in a humidifier can help create a more humid environment. Soil. Opt for a well-aerated, chunky potting mix that allows for good drainage. Aroid mix or orchid bark are popular options. Ensure your pot has drainage holes to prevent waterlogging. Fertilizer. During the growing season, spring and summer, a balanced liquid fertilizer diluted to half strength can be applied once a month. Avoid over-fertilizing, as it can damage the roots. Support. As a climbing vine, the Philodendron tortum appreciates a support structure to climb on. A moss pole or cord totem is ideal. You can gently train the aerial roots to attach to the support as the plant grows. How to propagate your Philodendron tortum. Sharing the beauty of your Philodendron tortum is easy. Here are two common propagation methods. Stem cuttings. Take a healthy stem cutting with at least one node, where the leaf meets the stem. Dip the cut end in rooting hormone, optional, and plant it in a pot with moist, well-draining soil. Cover the pot loosely with plastic to maintain humidity and place it in bright, indirect light. Patience, as key roots can take several weeks to develop. Leaf cuttings. This method requires a bit more effort but can be rewarding. Select a mature leaf with a healthy petiole, leaf stalk. Make a clean cut at an angle just below the node where the petiole joins the stem. Plant the petiole in a pot with moist sphagnum moss and maintain high humidity using a plastic bag or humidity dome. New growth should emerge from the petiole in a few weeks. What to plant with your Philodendron tortum. The Philodendron tortum's unique texture and climbing nature make it a versatile addition to your indoor plant collection. Here are some ideas for companion plants. Other climbing plants, Monstera deliciosa, pothose, or Epipremnum can create a lush, cascading effect together. Lower light plants, snake plants, ZZ plants, or ferns can complement the Philodendron tortum's light requirements. Air plants, Tillandsias add a touch of whimsy and require similar humidity levels. Philodendron tortum versus Elegans. Notable distinctions exist between these two species. Philodendron tortum exhibits a smaller size with slender stems compared to Philodendron elegans. Its leaves possess lobes that extend closer to the midrib than those of Elegans. Furthermore, the anterior section of the lobes in tortum is more pronounced, numbering around 9 to 10, while Elegans typically features 6 to 9. Additionally, tortum lacks the nearly bare posterior rib that is characteristic of Elegans. Philodendron polypodioids versus tortum. Both my Philodendron polypodioids and tortum are stunning climbers, but they definitely have their own personalities. The polypodioids throws out these long, slender leaves that remind me of graceful dancers' limbs. They're a lighter green than the tortum, and almost feel velvety to the touch. It's become my favorite plant to idly trace with my fingers while I'm watching TV. By considering these elements, you can create a thriving environment for your Philodendron tortum. Remember, this plant rewards consistent care with its captivating beauty and fascinating growth pattern. Happy planting!